Is your living room your favorite place to get cozy for Christmas? We'll walk you through 3 holiday decor styles to make it shine. For a modern farmhouse look, keep the color palette simple and neutral. Go for black and white accents, bare wood, and muted metallics. You can carry the look into the rest of your living space by placing holiday elements alongside your everyday accents. Bookshelves are a great place to start. And you don't have to do a lot. Try focusing on little touches that will help the entire room feel like Christmas. The fireplace is a prime gathering spot around Christmas time, so use the space to create a focal point for your holiday decor. For the mantel, try incorporating the same kind of garland that's on your tree. It's a simple trick to make the style of the entire room feel cohesive. A collection of layered, leaning signs adds depth. And Christmas trees of varying heights fill out the display. Now, the mantel's ready for hanging your stockings. If glitz and glam are more your style, Hobby Lobby has a variety of pieces that will add sparkle and shine to your Christmas decor. Shades of pink paired with metallics, mercury glass, and plenty of glitter can dial up the drama in your space. Flocked Greenery and Fur bring softness and warmth to the overall display. The timeless style of traditional holiday decor is all about embracing the nostalgia of the Christmas season. Lean into the classic look with a festive palette of reds and greens. This mantel display incorporates lush, foresty garlands, gold ornaments, and lots of red berry picks throughout. From the tree to the mantel, it all comes down to curating holiday decor that speaks to you. And Hobby Lobby has everything you need to bring your vision to life. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.